Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram post full picture. Now, I know what it's like creating an awesome image on your iPhone or Android and then going to Instagram and they just want to crop it down to a square. I'm going to walk you through the steps to make sure that you don't have to crop that image and you can share that full picture. So let's open up Instagram here. And I'm just going to tap the plus icon at the very top right here. Now, this will give me the ability to share an image. I'm just going to choose an image here. And you can see if I use my fingers to pinch and zoom, I have the full image here to be able to use. Now, to be able to toggle back and forth between cropping it as a square and using the full image, you can see at the very bottom left of that image is a little, like 2 arrows pointing out. I can tap that and you can see now it has switched over to a square. And I can tap it again and it has switched to full picture. So just switch to the full picture here, and at the top right you can hit next, and then you can add a filter to it, an effect to it, and hit next. And then from there, you just hit share and you can share that full picture post on Instagram. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.